Hi, my name is Thalia MK and I have with me Upendra Nath Sharma, who is partner JSA Advocate Solicitors, and he is receiving an award of outstanding leadership at the conference 2.0. Thank you so much for being with us. And I first of all, I would like to ask you about yourself and kindly introduce you about your company as well.
Sure. Thank you very much. So I'm Upendra Sharma, as you just mentioned. I am from JS Sagar Associates, and what I do is cross-border mergers, acquisitions, foreign investments into India, private equity, and general corporate commercial matters.
So mainly it's the Indian economy, is it affecting or is it like worldwide?
Yeah, so it's worldwide. You know, the foreign investments coming into India. How do you invest? How do you structure? What are kind of instruments you have? And all the 9 yards of the law relating to that.
So when it comes to money, I think so it's very important whenever somebody is investing in it that they know that you're authentic and it's credible. So are there any forms of credibility or anything confirmation for the audience if they want to invest in you, how they can have that authentic stamp to just go ahead?
Right. The money authenticity is not something that we get into. What we get into is the authentic ways of doing things legally. What are the legal ways? How do you do it? How the instruments are negotiated, and the money has to come through banking channels. All that stuff we deal with, and that's what we advise the foreign clients on that.
So but over here you received, how do you feel to be an honoree in Money 2.0 Conference Dubai? What is and how is the feeling of you getting recognized for your accomplishments?
It's a great, feeling. It's a great achievement, and I'm thankful to the organizers, to the conference, and the jury which selected me. And it's a great experience, and I'm thankful to all of them.
So what advice would you give for somebody who is planning to understand your company, and what advice do you give to somebody who wants to walk in your footsteps?
So my firm is JSA. It's a 30-year-old law firm. We are one of the biggest law firms of India, and we are now 400 plus lawyers, amongst the leading law firms. And, as a lawyer, you have to be just dedicated into your hard work, and, then sky is the limit. If as long as, you're giving your full force to it, you should have a passion for law, then you should enter it. And then, it's a great, our firm is a great platform to work with.
So over here, as you know, all the different kind of people from other countries are there, different nationalities, different, even the professionals. So how is the experience networking and learning has been, and what are you taking away from this experience to upgrade or to promote your brand more?
Yeah, it's been a great experience. I've met people from various jurisdictions, right from Africa to Israel to everywhere, and exchanging our cards, exchanging our information, knowing each other, and if they have any India-related work, we have related work in their countries, we'll be interacting together. It's a great bonding area, and nice to meet with them.
That's really good. I hope this is a good, amazing experience for you, and we'll be looking forward to you next time as well. But before you go, let us know how can we, come to you for collaboration. How can we reach out to you for advice or to work ahead?
Yeah, so as I said, my firm JSA, we have a platform, and you have my email IDs, we have a websites, you can reach out to us directly. All my contact details are with the Law 2 conference people. And so, just reach out to us, we'll be happy to help you. And any foreign investor, we are happy to help with. Initially, even on a pro bono basis, and then, as they decide to invest, we'll be happy to handle them, guide them on the legal path.
Anything you want to add on about your company that we should be looking forward, and why should we go ahead with you?
Yeah, it's the one of the landmark law firms of the country. It's the only one of its kind which has a institutional framework, and where you are given equity basis your merit. Your merit is always recognized. Even the youngest person in the firm has a stake in the firm, and that's why we are proud of it. We are trendsetters in our profession, in our country.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. And this was Mr. Upendra with us. And have a great evening. I hope the conference is a hit for you ahead as well. And this is Thalia MK signing off.